Hola, bueno. Este es Aaron con AnetComputers.com. This is Aaron with AnetComputers.com with another video for you today. I filed this under PC hardware installation, Seagate hard drives external, how to get your device installed. You have a new Seagate expansion external hard drive which you purchased so that you could install Windows 7. Now that you have Windows 7 installed, you can't seem to get that device to become recognized so that you can restore your programs to your computer. You have gone into Disk Manager and it shows an unidentified unit without any properties or setup software. According to an how to use an external drive without any special software page for that particular model, you don't need to install any software. You can just drag and drop files to and from your external hard drive. Windows 7 should detect that hard drive and install those drivers for it. We can check out that link, and then I will include a link to this blog post on my website, AnetComputers.com, in a description of this YouTube video so that you can access this web link to Seagate's Seagate's website, and so you can read this blog post on your own time. How to use an external drive without any special software. I'm not going to read this in its entirety, but I'll quickly go over some key points. Learn how to store and access data on your internal or external drive without the aid of any backup software using Windows' simple interface. Many, even most, Seagate, Maxtor, and Samsung external drives are sold with bundled backup and management software. However, in some cases, it is not possible to use such software. And then they give you examples. Every model of Seagate, Maxtor brand, and Samsung external drive has a ready-to-use formatting already in place. In Windows, there is no need to do anything special or additional to make the drive work. Simply plug in the power, plug in the USB FireWire eSATA cable, and the drive should appear in My Computer and Windows Explorer almost immediately. Once it is detected, all you have to do is move data into it. There are two general ways to do this, to move data: drag and drop, copy and paste. And so on your own time, you can read how to perform those actions on a Windows computer, either drag or drop or copy and paste. Continuing on, please try to reinstall that driver for it. Now, this is if you cannot get your Seagate external hard drive to work with Windows 7. Please try to reinstall that driver for it. Click on your Start button, then select Control Panel. In Control Panel, select System and Security. Choose Device Manager from within System and Security. Look for your Seagate device under Disk Drives. Right-click on it and choose Uninstall. As long as your Windows 7 computer is connected to the internet, you will be able to reinstall that driver for it. There should be a small computer with magnifying glass icon called Scan for New Hardware. Click on that icon and Windows should attempt to detect your external hard drive again. As long as Windows Updates is enabled, it should reinstall your driver for it. Also, you might want to reboot your computer after a driver install. So you might have to reboot your Windows 7 computer or any version of Windows, Windows 7, XP, Vista 8, once a driver is installed so that you can access your external hard drive. Hopefully this information was productive. You can always browse to AnetComputers.com for other possible potential tips, information, and tricks to help you solve your most common computer problems. Thank you for listening. Adios.